Need Microsoft Office on your Windows PC? Let's install it quickly, step by step. First, open Google Search and search for Microsoft Store. Open the official Microsoft Store website. In the search bar, type Microsoft Office. Find Microsoft 365 for free and click on it. Now, click the Download button. The setup file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder and locate the downloaded file. Right-click the Microsoft 365 setup file and select Run as Administrator. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the installation is finished, the Microsoft 365 app will open automatically. Click the Open button. If you already have a Microsoft account, click Sign In. If you don't have one, create a new Microsoft account. Select your Microsoft account and enter your email address and password. Once signed in, you're ready to use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 applications. That's it! Microsoft Office is now installed and ready to use on your Windows PC.